So question number 8. Oh, we did discuss question number 8. Okay, question number 9. Very small pollen grains are suspended in a beaker of water. Guys, read the PDF, not the screen. A bright light shines from the side. Small bright dots of light are seen through a microscope. The dots move in rapidly changing random directions. What are the bright dots? So this is the question on Brownian motion. So what are the bright dots that you see? Pollen grains being hit by other pollen grains? No. Pollen grains being hit by water molecules? Yes. So water molecules are very small, so you can't even see them in the microscope, but with the microscope you can see the pollen grains and they are being hit by the water molecules. So the pollen grain is like the football and the water molecules are like the players. Water molecules being hit by water molecules? No. Answer D, no. So answer is B. For 9th question, answer is B. 10th one. A sealed gas cylinder is left outside on a hot sunny day. What happens to the average speed of the gas molecules and to the pressure of the gas in the cylinder as the temperature of the gas rises? So the similar kind of question. Average speed will increase because the temperature is increasing, and because the speed is increasing, it's going to travel faster. The volume is constant. It's a sealed gas container, so it's going to travel faster, but the distance it should travel remains the same. The volume of the container remains the same. So if it's a particle, it travels faster, which means that it's going to collide more number of times in a given time, which means the pressure should also increase. So answer to question number 10 is D. Number 11. A pool of water evaporates. As molecules escape, the temperature of the water left in the pool changes. From where do the molecules escape and what is the effect on the temperature of the water? Again the same question, only from the liquid surface, and the average temperature will decrease. So answer C, again the same idea. Question number 12. It's not under this topic, but it is from force and pressure, so we can omit it. Okay, let's do it. A block with flat rectangular sides rests on a table. Block is turned so that it rests. So you can see, compared to this area, the area now in contact is greater, so the pressure will obviously decrease. But if you look at the weight, the force acting, how has the change the force and the pressure exerted by the block on the table? The force exerted by the block on the table is equal to the weight of it is equal to the weight, and still here it also equal to the weight. So the force unchanged but the pressure decreased. So the answer is C for the 12th question. Question number 13. Two states of matter are described as follows. In state 1, the molecules are very far apart. They move about very quickly at random in straight lines until they are hit something. State 2, molecules are quite closely packed together. They move about at random. They do not have fixed position. So state 1 is easy to identify. Obviously that is gas because of those properties. But state 2 is the difficult, quite confusing, since it has no fixed position and they can move about at random. They can move about at random means that molecules can slip past one another. It is because of this property that the water can take the shape of its container. There is a quote by Bruce Lee that be like water. A real kung fu fighter, a karate fighter, should be like water. He should be able to adapt himself into the circumstance as spontaneously as like water. the adapting ability and spontaneously how it adapts. So it's all because the molecules are able to move past one another. So it's not solid. In solid, it is fixed position. There is only vibration, right? So the answer for question number 13 is A.